and welcome to my channel to be natural with me. And today's video I'm going to show you how to infuse or extract fresh fruits into oils to be used for your skincare, for even hair, or if you like to make your own products at home like face moisturizer, body moisturizer. These are perfect. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you're notified of any of the new videos. So let's get started. All right, so in this one, so what I used is I used one small size fresh beetroot. So I just peeled it off and chopped it into small small chunks. And as you can see, I even dyed my hands. It's all pink. Anyways, it's all good stuff. So here we go. And then the next is our fresh aloe vera. So we have plenty of aloe vera in our backyard, so we're gonna make aloe vera oil. It's just fresh, and I cut it using so I cleaned the edges and then washed it, cleaned the edges, and I chopped it into small pieces, as you can see, even with the skin, because the skin also has a lot of benefits, so we can make aloe vera oil with that. And the next is here we have some carrots. So I use organic baby carrots, and I chopped it to small pieces, washed it, chopped it, let it sun dry. Everything I let sun dry for about a couple of hours, and it is ready to go. So we will have carrot oil, aloe vera oil, and also some beetroot oil, which again, anything we can always use for skincare products, even in baking goods as well. All right, and then next thing you would need is some type of carrier oil. There's many different types out there, and I would recommend either rapeseed oil, avocado oil, or just olive oil. So that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use some let me just try to show you, organic extra virgin olive oil for all this. And then you would need some empty glass containers. Anything you have available in the house would do the trick. So let's go ahead and transfer our aloe vera into this jar. So all right, so here we go. I'm gonna put all our aloe vera in there, and aloe vera oil is, I don't know if you want to call it aloe vera oil, but it's more of like infused extracted oil. It's really good for your skin. You can just apply directly onto your face, your body, or you can use it for your hair as well. It helps with growing your hair. If you have dandruff, there's many different benefits of using it. And here we go. I transferred all of it and dropped some pieces. So let's put everything back in there. And there we go. We got, oh, and now I'm gonna use my oil and top it off. Kind of, again, if you need enough oil to cover the material that you're putting, whatever. So I'm just going to put enough oil that covers all of the aloe vera, and that is ready. So let's cover this up. Okay, and then next one is I'll grab it, and then we're gonna use transfer the beetroot into it. It's the same process, same steps we did for the aloe vera. So we're gonna put all my little pieces in there. Again, as I mentioned, I washed it, chopped it small pieces, and I did let it sun dry. I don't know if it's necessary to get it sun dried, but I just wanted to make sure it doesn't have all the extra water, so the product can last longer. Okay. And there we go. And there's many different ways to get these oils made, but I found, especially with the fresh stuff, it's best if you use it the slow heating, the double boiler heating method. Okay, so I just want to make sure I got same thing. I just have enough. My jar is a little big, but you know, it doesn't matter. I wanted to find whatever I had available. And but as you can see, you just want to put enough oil in there just to cover the beetroots. So that one is ready to go, and the last one is our carrots. So let's transfer the carrots into this jar. And if you subscribe to my channel, I will make more videos on, like, you know, making your own moisturizers using these oils, or how many different ways you can use these oils for hair, for your skincare. So that's why don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And you have to be logged into YouTube in order to subscribe. Okay, and there we go. So I transfer all my carrots in there, and same thing, gonna top it off with enough oil to cover all the carrots, and close this up. There we go. So now I got the carrots ready, the aloe vera and beetroots ready, and the next step is, which we would have to go inside to my kitchen so we can use a double boiling method to slowly, on a slow heat, we're gonna let it process for about 30 minutes. So all right, so next step is inside. All right, so here we go. Now we are ready for our step number 2 of the process. This is actually a 3-step process to completely make the oil. So what I did, I used a big pan to heat up some water, and I heated up in a high heat, but now since the water is already hot, I'm gonna lower it to a pretty low setting. So, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the jars that we have ready. So this is the beetroot, and this is the one for aloe vera, and this jar is for carrot and oil. So now our process is, again, we're gonna let it process, let it, you know, on a very low heat. We're gonna let it work. It's extract all the nutrients out of these you know, these fruits and vegetables. So I will set the timer for 30 minutes, and after it's done, what I normally like to do is let it sit overnight so it can cool down and also keep doing its work, you know, keep extracting all the goodness out of this product. So I will show you the final product, but I'm gonna have to wait to finish this video until I let it sit for 24 hours. All right, guys, it's been 24 hours, and now we're on to our step number 3. So for this, you need something where you can filter your oils into. So I have this little measuring cup on here, and also you need something you can strain it out. You can use a muslin cloth, like cotton cloth, or a strainer like this. And I would highly recommend that you have your labels ready, because if you're making lots of oils, it gets confusing sometimes, which is which, right? So make sure you have your labels ready. Okay, so, and it's fairly simple. Again, all we gotta do is just, you know, drain your oils out. So we are gonna do the carrot one first. So I'm gonna put all the, okay, and don't try to squeeze the carrots, because we don't want actual carrots in the oil. We just want it to have all the nutrition which has already been extracted in the oil. And you don't have to throw these carrots. They're still good. Just a reminder, you can use them in different ways. You can make it into a face pack, a hair pack, or you can also eat them. They're just ready to just heat them up with some, you know, some spices in it, and you can definitely eat those. They're still good. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna save those. So we grab a container. All right, so I can save all that. Okay. All right, so we are gonna save them for later. And And I like to just kind of double filter these out. You don't have to, it's just my preference. So I'm gonna just make sure it's all nice clean oil that I get at the end, because I wanted to make a longer life, you know, because I mean, I have so many oils, they're not gonna possibly use all of them. So I wanted to make sure they last for a long time. Okay, and there we go, we got it. So now I'm gonna cover it up and label it before we move on to the next one. Okay, and now we can repeat the same steps for the aloe vera oil. All right, so I just went ahead and started draining it. So I got some of it, and I'm not going to throw this again. I'm going to reuse it. So you can even repeat the process to make more oil, or you can, same thing, use it for your face mask, your hair masks. You can just grind it up and use it. You can keep it in the fridge for a while. It won't go back. It can last you for weeks, or you can just freeze it so you have enough for you know, for a long time. So there we go. I just got all it out, and now I am gonna just repeat the same step. Just gonna do a double strain it out one more time just to make sure. Okay, and there we go. All right, so our third oil is the beetroot. So that's what I did. Same steps. I just I drained it all out, and I'm gonna pour it back on the jar with a label. So, and again, just want to do another reminder, even beetroots, the one extra, you can eat these, you can use it for skincare, your hair. I mean, you don't have to throw it. I don't like to waste anything, but your choice. I mean, you could totally reuse those. So now we are gonna go ahead and pour it back on. It looks fairly clean. Okay, and that's about it, guys. So now we have our beetroot oil, which this is how it kind of looks like, a little dark tone on it, and the aloe vera is let me just show you, it has a more greenish tone to it, and our carrot, of course, it has more orange tone to it, so as you can see. Okay, and these oils are, again, amazing just to use it as is on your skin, your hair, or you can use it into the products that you make at home. So do subscribe and like this video and share with others, and stay tuned. I will be using these oils in the future to show you how to make your own body creams, face moisturizers, and any like lipsticks that you can make at home using all these wonderful oils that we just made. Thank you. Bye.